I think that this is very possibly the poshest camper van I've ever seen. It's absolutely fantastic. Wait till you see the interior. It's a Mobilvetta Admiral K63, and it's really, really smart. They build these in Italy based on the Fiat chassis. It's got the 140 horsepower engine, and it's plated at 3,500 kilograms, so it's a standard car license for this one. But yeah, the interior on this is spectacular. But before I show you that, I'm going to show you in here, because there's a couple of things to explain to you. First of all, what you can do here. So basically this is the sleeping area back here, and it's got these sections here in to support the bed, but they come out, that center section comes out, and that gives you a load through. But beyond that, you can then tilt these up out of the way. When that's obviously out, they clip into those sections there, so these are up against the sides, and that gives you a massive area there for bikes or paddle boards or whatever else you want to keep in there. Beyond that, there are boxes. Effectively, they're basically the same as this, but they come out to about here and down, so that gives you storage through there, which you can then take out if you want to. So there's a lot of options for storage or sleeping, or a combination of the two. As I say, fold those up out of the way, take those out, and you've got a massive load area. Drop it all down, you've still got this shelving down underneath here, and there are boxes that go in on this side. Little shower plugs in on that side, like so, and on this side we've got space for the LPG tanks in there. Quite a big space, 2 of them in there. That's superb. There we are. Tie downs on here as well, and on here, so you can keep everything nice and secure. But look at the finish on here. How posh is that? And that's just in the boot. Let's go look at the inside. Love the way they put this Mobilvetta along here. It's class, this. It really is. Let me show you my favourite bit. It's nice in this dark colour, isn't it? That's a very subtle looking machine. We've got the light, as you can see, above the door. That's very welcoming. And if we slide this one open and hit this button here, then we'll see the inside. How smart is that? The flooring, the polished wood, the quilted upholstery, the lighting, the linings. That's really, really smart. There's a couple of things to mention here, actually, in the kitchen area. Let's go on to the inside and I'll show you that we've got, first of all, he says, hang on, how does that open? Oh, of course, that's to stop it sliding out when you're travelling along. We've got this slide out area here, which is rather nice. But then above that, again, it's clipped back to stop it sliding around when you're travelling. But that slides across, and that gives us access then to the sink, but also, of course, a bit more work surface, because that moves out of the way. We've got that, we've got that, we've got the 2-burner hob underneath there, we've got the oven underneath as well. That's all rather nice, isn't it? And as I say, that just stops it from sliding around when you're travelling. These lovely woods in here. That one, he says, how do I open that? Push. There we go, that's helpful. Ah, brilliant. Bit of storage up inside there. We've also got along here light switches, we've got the Truma heating system, and then we've got the control system for the vehicle here as well. And then right round to the front, skylight, these have all got blinds that come across them, and bug screens because they open. You can see the opening mechanism for that there. And in fact, there is a bug screen that comes across here as well, which is very helpful. So you can have the door open, keep the bugs out. Again, this lovely upholstery that you see around the place. That's fantastic, isn't it? Automatic transmission on this one. It's got the infotainment system, the Pioneer here, and we've got the multifunction wheel. As I mentioned, it's based on the Fiat van. But that is very, very smart, isn't it? I like that. I love these pin lights along here. And we've got lighting tucked away down underneath here as well. This then opens like so for more storage, again all nicely lined. And that one there is a TV point. Got your satellite point, you've got USBs, you've got power, 12-watt power as well, so you can put a TV up on there if you wish to. Seat belts here, so we can travel with 4. And that table does stuff. Not quite sure what. I think that section underneath slides out. And that does something clever, doesn't it? But I'm not absolutely sure what. Intriguing. Answers on a postcard, please, as they always used to say. Let's head on back a bit further. We've looked at that. A bit more storage down underneath. Like so. And then we've also got storage in here with a hanging rail, and a fridge is in there. Very nice. If we come right on back, this is what we looked at from the outside. So as I say, there is an infill section here which you can take out to have it as 2 singles. We've got the infill sections that go in on top of that to make that into a double, but beyond that, with these out and the bars out, these will hinge up out of the way on both sides, and there are extra storage boxes to get on that side if you want them. Talking of storage, it's up here like this, and round here and round here. I won't open them all, but you get the gist, like so. And again, all nicely lined. It's all soft touch everywhere. Another skylight up there, which is an opening one, and we've got the opening windows here as well. And again, of course, screens for those, bug screens and light screen. It's very nicely done, isn't it? And if we come on back from here, we will discover, look at this. Oh, it's a proper job, isn't it? And that's the bathroom basically. So we've got the loo, of course, we've got the sink, and then there's a shower that goes onto this little bracket here. Very, very nice, isn't it? It's also nicely done. It's also nicely lit as well. Look at it down underneath here and along here. Proper posh, isn't it? Again, an opening window. It's a frosted glass on that one for obvious reasons. Very nice. Covered up at the minute with this polythene everywhere because it's brand spanking new, but clearly when you buy it, you take all that off. That's proper posh, isn't it? All of this is nice. I love these contrasting colours. I love this quilted finish here. As I said when we first started the video, I think this is probably the poshest one I've been in. Fantastic, isn't it? Nice. Okay. I think that's about the size of that. I'm trying to think if there's anything else that I haven't shown you. We've got heater outlets down here. There is a little drawer tucking into every area. Look at this. So that's down underneath there. And yeah, I think that's about it. Good. Okay. Let's head on back out. Let's have a last look at the outside. And that, my friends, is about the size of that. Huge thanks to Marquis Motorhomes for organising that tour, and huge thanks, of course, to you guys for watching it. Let me know what you think of that one in the comments, and we'll catch you on another one of these real soon. Take care. Bye-bye.